Alright, hey guys, yesterday what we did, we shot the black part where it was usually this and the top, and we let it dry overnight, and then what we did today, we taped up all the black all the way around. It was a lot, it was a long process, so we didn't really want to show it to y'all guys because it was going to be long and boring. So we pretty much taped it up already. All we're going to do now is just shoot the charcoal gray, and guys, we have the charcoal gray in stock, so if you guys want us to wrap your vehicle in a charcoal gray, guys, it's a beautiful color. I really recommend it. So if you want it, go ahead and ask for it. Alright guys, so like right now we're just gonna get to it. Alright guys, we already let it sit there. All we're gonna do now is just take off the tape, the paper, and put on the little black molding, which is the little lights and the little covers right here. Alright guys.
All right, so it looks like you guys are done.
Yes guys, we're done with the H2. The texture on the color that the customer chose is really awesome and it looks just way beautiful. Just take a look at it guys.
Guys, that's exactly what a Hummer needs to look like right there, guys.
Looks like really beautiful and looks like a big, mean, beautiful Hummer.
Check out the color, the gray and the black, the windows, the lights, everything just tied this vehicle together. Let's check out the texture, guys.
Alright, so the customer wanted a aggressive semi gloss finish, and like always guys, we always do what the customer wants, so this is the outcome of it.
Alright guys, so that's it for this video. Guys, leave a comment, something great for the customer that we did this vehicle for. He did an amazing job on choosing the color. Just leave something positive for him. And guys, shoot us an email, call us, send us a text, look us up on Facebook, send us pictures of your vehicle. What would you like for us to do on your vehicle? And guys, again, thank you. Like and subscribe.
Like and subscribe.